David C. Jones here with Sidney the Kidney, and we are at the Canadian Transplant Games. So excited. Sidney wanted to see something, didn't you? And we wanted something that was visceral. We wanted something that was exciting, dynamic. I mean, there's the running, there's the racing, there's the swimming, there's bicycling. And Sidney said, no, I want to see lawn bowling. This is Gary Parkinson, and he actually works here at the Dunbar Lawn Bowling Club. So he helped organize the games that are happening here today.
All right.
Now, Sidney wants to know what is involved with lawn bowling, because he thought you actually bowled a lawn, but you're bowling on a lawn.
We're bowling on a lawn.
Okay.
And it goes back a long ways. They used to bowl originally with stones, 1,000 years ago.
Is that like Fred Flintstone? They would throw a stone.
Fred Flintstone.
Okay. And
But we now have these lovely plastic bowls, which you don't throw. We call it a deliver the
you
bowl.
deliver the ball.
You deliver the bowl.
Okay.
Not ball, bowl.
Bowl. Oh, the
It's
bowl. You're
bowling.
throwing balls.
Bowls.
Okay. Curling, because there's multiple bowls.
It's exactly like curling with a couple of serious differences.
Oh, okay. No ice.
The target, that's true. The target can move. We call it the jack. The jack is not stationary.
How sneaky.
It can bounce around and you gotta keep following it around.
Okay.
So that's different. And the other is the bowls have a natural bend to them.
So they're not a circle, they're like an oval?
Well, they're a circle, but they're heavier on one side. So when it slows down, it starts to tip.
Cool. And so how do you score a point?
How do you score a point?
You hit the goal that's always moving?
No, at the end of the game, the bowl closest to the jack counts.
Oh, okay.
And then you see who's second, who's third, etc.
So do you have to use a measuring tape?
Well, I've got my measuring tape.
Oh,
Right.
you do? I got one right. I got one right. Okay, fantastic. Well, Sidney, do you want to learn how to do this? Yeah, Sidney totally wants to learn how to do this. So we're going to
Good.
find someone who can teach us how to do this. Thank you so much,
Good.
Gary.
You're welcome.
Right. Okay, so we found Ed from Team Saskatchewan.
Saskatoon,
in
that's right.
Saskatchewan.
In Saskatchewan.
And you are one of the oldest participants in the game,
That's right.
right? And
Yeah.
you've been how long have you had your transplant?
I've had it for 29 years,
Almost 30.
almost 30.
And yes, and
30's coming up.
I'm finding, Ed, it's very hard to look at you because something is glinting in my eye. Could it be this silver medal?
That's what it is. We just played in a double here earlier, and Larry Kreklowitz and myself from Saskatchewan won silver.
Bravo, that's excellent. And okay, Sidney's freaking out because he wants to learn how to play lawn bowling. And so I think we better, Sidney, just calm down. I'm just talking to Ed here. Okay, I think we better learn how to lawn bowl. Ed, will you help us out with that?
Sure I will.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the jack,
Yes,
and that is the bowl.
the bowl.
Okay, so what happens?
Well, first of all, you have to throw the jack out
Underhand.
underhand like this.
Okay.
And then it has to go more than halfway down there.
Okay.
And then we throw the bowls at the jack to try to get the closest to it.
Okay, so this will be a contest, so we can't do a full game. It'll be a contest between you and Sidney. Who
Okay.
can get it closer? Now, Sidney, he has won a silver. All right, so, you know, he might be better. Is that more than halfway?
That's
Yeah,
gonna go, that's
okay.
going to go most of the way down there.
Oh my goodness, I threw it too hard.
Oh, well, we can play to it, I guess.
Okay.
It's a long way. I don't know if you'll get it.
So you're up first.
Okay, well, what you do, Sidney, is you take the ball, don't call them the ball,
The color of the bowl.
the bowl, and on one side, whichever is the smallest print.
It bounced all the way back. Sorry, I'll just go. You keep telling Sidney.
Okay, so whichever side is the smallest little circle on, that's the way you throw the ball, and the ball will curl and go that way. So if you know, they got to throw it over to the one side. So, and you got to stand on this. You stand on this mat,
On the mat.
and then you take one step.
And
you
Ed
just-
is up. And
Oh,
Throws
looking
it.
good, looking good.
is that, I don't know, is that, what do you say? Who's the winner?
Oh, we might have to measure. We might
We might
have to measure.
it. Or know what we could do? Know what we could do? We could call this a tie.
There.
And it's a brilliant game.
Brilliant
So
game.
good
Good
job.
job.
Good job. It's a tie. It's a tie. Sidney, give me a high five. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Good game, Sydney. He's so excited.
Yeah.
He's so excited. So Sidney has decided that maybe he's going to leave lawn bowling up to the professionals, and he's just going to be a cheerleader for them. My name's David C. Jones. Has been Talking Kidney, and we are here at the Canadian Transplant Games at the lawn bowling. Oh, look at you go.